Sana all.
Okay, before our meet and greet portion of the presentation, we would like another round of photo ops muna with our marketing team of Consumer Imaging. Please come on stage. Yes, photo ops. Again, calling on our marketing team.
Ornelas! Bye bye, Ornelas! Hit! Ornelas! Bye bye, Ornelas!
Ayan na sila. Very good. Alright. Presenting to you the full Fuji Film team, including our marketing team. Let's compress a little bit para equal po yung size namin. We have our Fuji photographer here, now we're getting our worker. Okay, everyone smile in 3, 2, 1.
Wagi mo hit! Let's go! Let's go! Wagi mo hit! Ano po? Okay po. Bago ako mag-family.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ornelas! Bye bye, Ornelas! Hit! Ornelas! Bye bye, Ornelas! 1, 2, 3, go! Hit! Ornelas! Bye bye, Ornelas! Hit! Ornelas! Bye bye, Ornelas! Hit!
Our newest Insta squad, copies right now, and Gian Morales. Di ba, may narinig ako mga fan chat kanina. I love it. I love, sabi niya, 3, 2, 1. Hello, sasabay ko sila. Mag-chat kasi together. Okay, ready, set, go, and... O, di ba? Napakabong ka. Meron silang ano. Akala mo na sa ano tayo, no? Hindi sa concert grounds. Yes. But again, maraming salamat everyone for being here. Congratulations to all our pre-registered league waivers and team companies. Okay, congratulations again. Napakaswerte naman nila. Meron silang libreng Instax film. Diba? I love it. Okay, congratulations. Let's move on to our next pre-registered winner. Alright, congratulations. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po.
Kasi ba, si Kontra.
Tax requirements, but not only that, syempre, we're going to explore the Instax Mini 13 as well. Again, meron siyang 2-second and 10-second timer, which is so exciting kasi syempre, kung gusto nyo self-shoot na kaya-kaya. Congratulations! Maraming salamat po. Okay. Okay. Last two winners. Grabe talaga yung exact zone. Napaka-generous nila. Sa lahat ng pre-registered, you're able to get this chance to unlock league waivers and of course our team companies to meet their idols up close and personal. Grabe. Kaya maraming salamat sa Exacts and Fujifilm for making this possible for all the supporters. And not only that, for making this event truly a fun experience, not only for the supporters but for our Exact squad as well. Thank you so much. Okay, last but not the least, ay, pwede ako to. Here. Okay, we have one last na magpapaphoto. Two last. Yes.